Hello guys. So the project I am going to show you today is one of my very old project. The project title is language translation task using large language model. So the model I am going to use for today's for this task is NLLB 200 Distilled 600 million. This model is a 600 million parameter model provided by Facebook. This is a very old model. You can see like it only has this bin file it's using, not the safe tensor version. It's around 2.5 GB in size. So you can see the model card in Hugging Face Hub, and it is the Python Flask application. I have built this application based, and you can see the model. I am loading the model from a local folder, not a local different folder, not the usual cache folder where it gets by default downloaded. The reason is that I am trying to deploy this model in a virtual private server hosted by uh, Hugging Hostinger. So to do that, I need to access the model like this way. Yeah, so I do not have a GPU right now in my system, so it will be using CPU. So the inference time will be little bit bigger, like 10 second, maybe 10 to 11 seconds around that. So it is the same. Let me explain you the task what is happening. The model will take three input. One is the input text, the actual text which will be translated, the input language code, the actual input language code I am giving, and the output language code in which language I want to translate, and the base maximum length value is I have kept as 400. So the model is a lower end model, so it doesn't have a high end context window, so I cannot give more long context or long text there. Okay, so let me give you a demo. I have already run this Flask application is already running in my background. You can see it already. So this is the application here. I'll give a simple any language text. Let me write name is Arjo Chakraborty. Okay, so it will this is the English language text, so I have to write it in English. And let me choose Bengali as the output language. I hope most of you know Bengali, so let me choose this. I won't be understanding if the language is any other, so I have to choose this only. Okay, so it's a it's a little bit faster, like 6.2 seconds. Sometimes if the text is bit long, it will take around 10 to 12 seconds. It may take, because I am not using GPU here. GPU acceleration is not available, so I can choose another one thing. Let me try the opposite thing. I am giving this one as a input. Let me choose Bengali as input, and the output language I will choose as English. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, my name is Arju Chakraborty. So it is working. Like most of the language it works. It supports almost around 200 language. Also, I am not sure that I have not tested with all those languages, but 5 to 10 language I have tested, and it works absolutely fine for small amount of text. If you are having a large amount of text, you should go with chunking. Like you can chunk the text in small part, then you can give it to the model, and chunk by chunk it will just translate. It's a very fast and accurate model for low end or edge type devices. Yes, you can work with this model and try it out, and you can also serve it as an API, which I will show you in the next video. Thank you.